number-based question. So we have to find the value of x. Now, this question is common to WAEC, NECO, or JAMB. So let's see how we are going to solve this. So follow through. We have 2, 3 to base x plus 101 to base x. Okay, solution. Then we also have 130 to base x. Now, what we need to do right here is to convert each of these to base 10. So how do we do that? So let's start with the first part. So this now, we are going to assign 0, 1. So we are going to expand in terms of the base. So we have 2 times x to base 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 times x to the power of 0. So for this one, simplifying it, we are going to have 2x plus 3 times x to the power of 0 is 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. So this gives us what? 2x plus 3. So that's that. For the second part, we have 101 to base x. So this we assign as we did earlier on. So 1 times x to the power of 2 plus 0 times x to the power of 1 plus 1 times x to the power of 0. So expanding this, we have x squared plus, so this will give us 0. Then 1 times s to the power of 0, that is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So there we are going to have s squared plus 1. So that's for this. So we are going to have plus s squared plus 1. And then for the last part, so 130. So 130 to base x. So the same thing we do, we assign digits 0, 1, 2. So for this, we have 1 times 2 and 1 times x to the power of 2 plus 3 times x to the power of 1 plus 0 times x to the power of 0. So for this one, we have s squared plus, so this will give us 3x. Then this 0 times, so that will give us 0. So for this part, we have s squared plus 3x. Now, from here on, we have algebraic equation. So let's see how we are going to simplify this. So here, we are going to have 2x. So the x term, we can bring them together. So we have minus 3x. Then for the squared, so s squared, we have s squared. Here we have minus s squared. Then 3 plus 1, that will give us 4. So here now, we've moved all this, we've transposed them to this side. So we have equal to 0. So now, we can now simplify. 2x minus 3x, that will give us minus x. And for this, so plus x squared minus s squared, that is 0. That is gone. Here we have what? Plus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here, we move this to the other side, transpose. We have minus s is equal to minus 4. So from here on, you can cancel out the negative signs. So we have x is equal to 4. So, and the value of x is 4 from this question. I hope you got this. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.